Inawag ka pa ko lang ng eme. Guys, I'm here right now at Big Kawayan wherein I can see like wherein, yan. Tayo ngayon sa Big Kawayan, may summit sila which is they having their per barangay delicacies. So, ito na naman, street food na naman tayo. So, this is our barbecue. Isaw and also suman and then lemonade. So mga ka-vlog food taste na naman tayo mga ka-vlog. So ang rules ng ating video, don't forget to just hit the like and share button, comment down below for your shoutout. Also don't forget to follow my YouTube channel KJs1101 para ko ng So ayan.
Okay, Christine, G. Mercado, thank you so much. FK Resort, owned by Elmer Aclaracion. Sorry.
So outfit check tayo mga ka-vlog pala. Sorry.
Aztec House, owned by
kilay from my
Josa Spring Resort, owned by Risa Labuting Hipnonada. Thank you so much.
So for my eyebrow, Under Russell from NBP Station, yung makeup ko hindi mo na itong halata kasi gabi na. Thank you for Hakang family, from my mother. Thank you from mother at Amy for the nails as well. My dress from Kita Mundo nga to. Also,
Dimitrio Narciso Pana Jr.
Mas well ang ating bangles galing kay Mama.
Barbershop, owned by Maria Joy Alar Barreto. Thank you so much. Maria Rusto and Catering Services, owned by Nalini. Simona Lacho.
Let's eat.
Aries Pharmacy, owned by Francis Ray Paraon Igaral. Daily Meds Pharmacy, owned by Bernard Panero. Thank you so much. News Big Shop, owned by Rizal Somosa Garino. Red High Heels, Gini Emilia Pucapo. Thank you so much. Summer Princess, Digital Club.
May parang bike siya ng Big Kawayan ngayon. Parang
Elmer.
sa atin sa London.
Thank you so much.
Every barangay.
Steak and pastilles.
Pinupumunta ka ng mga delicacies. Mabibenta doon.
Of course, maraming salamat po sa ating mega house. Honorable Jeremiah Peter and Dina Calzada RN, Honorable Shadria Akmat Tihada, Honorable Vice Mayor Melvin Bicasi, Honorable Mariano Nonoy Las Pinizo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mayor Honorable Juanito C. Agustin, Honorable Seruno P. Dumupor, Honorable Noel Igaray, Honorable Dennis P. Lopez, Karatso, tama po ba ako? Karatso, and PNP personnel.
Sir, mga ka-vlog, I have a slow connection right now. Ewan ko na meron.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At po sa lahat po ng mga bisita natin dahil po sa mga ibang bayan. Maraming salamat po sa pagbisita sa bayan ng Pigkawayan. Welcome and Tommy Pro Barangay. Apo ni Barangay sa po ang kasali. No, ay bukas naman po natin ipapapatuloy ang Port-Lee Barangays. Ito yung Barangay Anip. Ngayon po magpresenta, Barangay Anip, Barangay Baloco, Barangay Balucaboy, Barangay Puluay, Barangay Pulukawon, Barangay Kapani, Barangay Kapayuran, Central Panatan, Himalayat, Malakakit, Maluaw, Mitpapay 1, Mitpapay 2, New Kulasi, New Panay, New Ibaras and North Maluwangan.
Suotsan ko.
Yan.
So next natin is puto. Nag-barbecue ka tapos nagputo ka, no?
Ay, tomorrow pa lang North Maluwangan, sorry. Bukas pa lang North Maluwangan. North Maluwangan, tomorrow pa po.
Gamay ang area niya.
So in mga ka-vlog, once again, it's Kevin Howard Couple. We have 3,000 million viewers and also 0 stars. Man, that's a shoutout po tayo ngayon. So, okay, once again, it's Kevin Howard Couple. Shoutout po tayo. So thank you for watching my pinsan, one of the sponsors of La Union Medical Center from La Union. Let's welcome Marin Fonseca Couple. Same as well, Ate Kailin Gabay Alabaso. Camarillo sa mga gustong bumili ng itlog dyan. Mura lang. Also, thank you for watching Kikay. Ayan, thank you for watching. Also, let us welcome our, the president, the, what they call this, the honorable mention, our principal from Donjo Franjo F. Regal Memorial National High School. Let us welcome Mr. Alvin Doctolero, same as well. Thank you for watching Joyce Upson, my friend, my schoolmate when I was in college. Ayan, thank you for watching also Javelin Buado. Same as all Rachel Nika Palan. Also, Jan Ramirez, kinakula namin. So, maglagaw na tayo. So we're here at the Kawayan. They're having their party now.
Tayo talaga.
So this is the Kawayan because parang bazaar. So they're having foods here. So simulan natin sa harapan. Paikot tayo dito. So ayan mga ka-vlog, they are what do you call this? Celebrating the MSC Summit siguro. So this is the first Barangay Poblacion 3. So this is the product.
Ayoko na muna
Ay bayi. Sarap sila.
Ayoko na muna
Alaman. March Manangangan.
Tayo
Shop.
talaga. Palayan sa tayo talaga. Tayo.
So this is from Barangay Buluhan. We are selling, ano to te? Buko juice, but there's also native coffee. Bukayo, Walis Tingting, Buko juice. So we still
All right, team, we're transitioning to
And
flat,
then
but
also look
tasks
it
are
out.
still going to be on Bullfrog.
This is from Barangay
Notice the
Buluhan.
Clappy Clap post? There was no Clappy Claps.
Ayan, pasensya nyo naman po ang advertise. No, then sa advertise
So,
nila.
So ayan mga ka-vlog, they are also
Ayan, parang,
singing so meta.
dumadami
Baka
na yung
naman,
ating
okay?
mga,
So the next stop natin is for Barangay Malag. Malag.
Basta po kayo municipal police,
ano?
Pagkain. Welcome po sa Palapit, Kawayan.
Is there
Sir,
product?
sabayan niyo po ako.
Ayan. Kami mga puto rin sila. Alamay. And also next stop tayo, Meet Papan. So, we have shakes and also what they call that. So this is for Barangay Kapayuran. Their products are ano to te? Adobong pato, pastil, Valenciana, at Chara. So this is the product. Pero ang ganda ng Kapayuran on furnace. Kapayuran, no? So this is for Barangay Balogo. Kung saan kumain ako kanina, they are selling nuts, dried bananas, malagkit, same as well. Ito, mga street food sila. Ayan. For this is for Barangay Balogo. So next stop tayo mga ka-vlog, Barangay Tubon. So this is their products. They're selling coconut cider. Mixed with dumon, kinilaw. Ayan. Also, they have spiced coconut vinegar, hot sauce. So, ayan yung mga price nila mga ka-vlog as you can see. They also they have sweet chili sauce, coconut cider, spiced coconut vinegar, kinilaw with dumon. What is dumon? Ano yung dumon? Oh. So this is for Barangay Tubon. Alam mo, mga ka-vlog, excel na pagandahan ng mga pagandahan ng mga, ito, for meat papan 1, o di ba, pabonggahan ng anes. So this is their products as well, ang mga chips, araw, pagandahan talaga sila ng mga hello po. So next stop tayo mga ka-vlog. This is for the barangay Upper Bager. Ayun. So this is their product. So hello po. Siomai tayo, may pastel, gulaman, sinasway nuts, chili garlic, honey. May honey sila ha. And also banana chips. Ayan, for the barangay Bager. So, next stop tayo mga ka-vlog. Ito, mga ka-vlog, manuloka kasi for healthy living ang mga binibenta nila. So, let us welcome Barangay Renibon. Ang Barangay Renibon, they're selling bananas, onion chives, onion leaves as well, kamote, sara, ang iyang mga, ay meron sila mga native bags, hand-weave bags siguro ito mga to. Ayun, so this is for Barangay Renibon. Ayun, so next po tayo mga ka-vlog. Let us welcome Central Panatan. So this is our product, same as katulad kay Renibon. Their products are mga gulay-gulay din, mga for healthy living. Ayan, so kamote chips. Ewan ko kung ano to. Atsara. Papaya. Success well. Ano man to te? Suka? Suka na tubo. Tuba. Ayan. And also one thing. Alam nyo mga ka-vlog, meron kami trivia ko. Nung nasa airport kami nung last, kumuha kami ng tuba sa airport. Kaya tuba, sabi namin. So yun, pinayagan naman kami. So let us welcome our next barangay Kapangi. So this is their products. Ay, ito ang ginahanap ko, Bing. Bukayo. This is their products, mga ka-vlog. Chips, nuts. Ito, ano pang ano ito, te? Dinadtad. Ito, nakita ko itong dinadtad before, way back 2018 sa Pikit. Ito, masarap to. Para siyang, matamis. Ayun, so this is their products as well. So, ikot na tayo mga ka-vlog. We are now entering another, what they call this, another barangay. So, para check mo natin entrance ng ating event area.
O mag-join sa ato ha, sa atong Raffle Pro.
Ayun mga ka-vlog. So, wait lang, mag-yos sila ako mga ka-vlog. I will be bibili ako ng yoso na nagdudos lang. Tema baka ulit ako ng kachipan na yosi. Sabi, pwede ka init man.
May mga gulong ka ng brand. O, Gigas.
5 pesos lang, te.
May engine. Ano ito number magyapon?
5 pesos?
Ah.
Okay daw. Tulog.
Yes!
May okay ka?
That's okay. Tinama na.
Di ba okay? Mga ikuan nila ka rin. Birthday ka, pinto ka.
Sino ka? Dutch. Ha? Dutch. Dutch sila.
Saan mga kapag kaya ako mag-yos kasi tapos ko kinain ko kanina sa isaw, sa taba, tapos sa puto. Halaf yun, kulang akong kwarta. Sorry, wala na akong pera dire, pinagkuha ko lang.
Sila ng
so thank you for watching. Shoutout muna tayo. Thank you for watching, Job. Rachel Mapalo, John Ramirez, and as welcome also our pinaka-beautiful, pinaka-sexy na ating barangay secretary na kung saan kahit taga ibang barangay ka, may barangay clearance ka. Let us welcome Miss Madonna Doctolero de Lasa Kunakmanin Ama Kas Joy. Thank you for watching also, Joy Calano, Arcel Rion, Marian Corsino, may pinsan from Isabela.
Yes, po kay Mama Magpapaway, Lala. Hello, Mama. Of course, Sister Chris Alagao. Ayan, sila po ng mga dito ngayon.
And thank you for watching si Maswell, Jerry Camille Alonzo. Thank you for watching. So ang rules ng ating video, just hit the like and share button and comment down below for a shout. Also don't forget to follow my YouTube channel KJC 1101 Kunakmanan Ama Kasja. So next stop po tayo, let us welcome our barangay, next barangay, the Barangay Poblacion. So this Barangay Poblacion, pagandahan sila ng mga stalls. Dito bumili kami kahapon dito. Ang binili namin is this one. So isang pack siya, 65 daw siya. So 6 pesos ang isa. Bumili ko ng nakaraan dito. May karga siyang nips. Same as well, parang may yema sa loob. Ayan, so next stop po tayo, the next barangay. I don't know what barangay is, but it was a photo pod. So photo booth for 50 pesos only. So ayan. Ayan mga ka-vlog. So this time yung photo booth sila. Ewan ko ng barangay ito. There's some kind of layout pala sila. So yung mga layout sila, you'll see, that's good. So ayun mga ka-vlog. Next stop po tayo. Let us welcome our next barangay. The next is Poblacion 1. So this is Barangay Poblacion 1. Oh, healthy living sila ha. Ang binibenta na sa mga fruits. Tapioca, tuna cubes. Ano yung tsura na tuna cubes, te?
And yung kulasi. Ayan, and of course, mag-follow, like, and share naman po sa ating
Okay. Cubes lang talaga siya. So fresh siya. Fresh. Ayan. So this is for Barangay Poblacion 1. So next. Ayan, sorry na. So this is, I don't know what kind of barangay is one. Pero meron silang cheese tart and also barbecues. Ayan, so next stop tayo mga ka-vlog. Let us welcome Barangay Kimarayag. So ang Barangay Kimarayag, they're selling bugas pilit. Ate, anong bugas pilit? Ano to? Malakit. So they're selling also suka. And then, tuba.
Magpunta ka lang dito, sigurado hindi ka
And also they're selling
pero pag iuwi, nandito kayo.
bisol. That is bisol. Ayan. So, pagandahan talaga sila ng kanilang stalls. Let us welcome our next barangay, Barangay Payong-Payong. So, Payong-Payong is selling this kind of food na rin. Ayan, sorry mga ka-vlog, mahinang signal. So that they're selling, Barangay Payong-Payong is selling street food as well. And also, pot holder, 3 for 100 daw siya. So yung mga designs na may different colors, by the way mga ka-vlog. So, that is for Barangay. So next stop po natin is Barangay Maluao. So ang ganda ng ano nila, di ba? Paka-perfect. Pagandahan talaga ng booth. So this is their products, hot coffee, alamang, cookies. So you must well eat it. Itlog lang eat it. No, so empanada ata to.
Empanada, sir, tapos ari, mango pie.
Mango pie, ayan.
Lumpiang gulay.
So this is for Barangay Maluao. This is for Barangay. Mga maganda na, may varieties pa sila. So next stop po natin is Barangay Bulucaon. So this is their products. Okay, meron sila mga paano ha. So this is their products mga ka-vlog. Kalamay, mango. So this one. Madrag po yung mga ano man, grapes, ano. So ayan mga ka-vlog. So there's also singing here. So next stop po natin is our Barangay Presbitero. So this is for Barangay Presbitero. Ay, apakabongga. Ayan, so they're selling tablea. Hello po. Dito ako bumili kayo ng puto, ng kutsinta at tsara. Also, pinangkal. So, napaka-perfect ng part nila dito. Ayan. So, sa mga ka-vlog, they're selling, napaka-perfect ng, nila, sticks, woodgrass, ang pinapenta. Napaka-aesthetic ng barangay na to. And also, gulay and fruits. Yan. So, mga ka-vlog, this for Barangay Presbitero. Thank you po. So, ayan mga ka-vlog. So, our next barangay would be Barangay Anik. Barangay Anik. So, this is for Barangay Anik. Ayan. So, our next barangay is New Panay. So, they are selling Anleros Caldo for only 20 pesos. Oh, 20 pesos lang may Anleros Caldo ka na. This is for Barangay New Panay. So next stop po tayo. Our next barangay is South Manuwangan. So this is for Barangay South Manuwangan. They're selling fruits and also woodcrafts here. Famous here. Banana chip. Ayan, so yung mga benta nila. Ano tawag natin? Lusay, para sa bayi-bayi. Para sa bayi-bayi. Ayan, yan yung tinatawag nilang lusong para sa bayi-bayi. Yung malagkit na rice yun. So our next barangay